Hello everyone, and if you're new to the channel, a big welcome to Cruising the South. We try to share all our great experiences that we have on the boat, but also all the bad stuff, per se, all the little problems that we go through. We try to share with you how we fixed it, or what happened and how we fixed it. So today the video is about our flushing system. I had one of my subscribers ask me if I had any idea why his flushing pump seems to continuously run. And just matter of fact, I had the same exactly problem where my Sealand pump continuously kept running, right? And there's two reasons why that could be happening. I mean, there's always variables, but the two main reasons would be either you have a bad leak somewhere, air leak, which you would have smelled it by now, or your shut-off switch is bad. And you know, I replaced my shut-off switch. Here, let me show you guys the system, how it works, and I'll show you what I did to fix it. Okay, so first let me show you guys how my system works. So here I turn my pump on, okay? And the pump I just turned on is this pump right here that creates the vacuum for the flushing system, correct? So what this pump is doing is creating a vacuum inside of the pressure chamber right there. So, and you know, with the toilet full of water, so like, you know, once you flush it, it goes through that vacuum chamber and out that way. And this is the shut-off switch that lets know the tank when that lets know the system when the tank is full enough. So basically, this little knob right here, you spin this knob and then you make it, you know, more pressure or less pressure. So what happened to mine, why my pump was constantly running, was that this switch was bad. Because once the pump is running, if you come over here and you push this down a little bit, because, you know, like you're replicating the pressure sucking in, you know, the pump, this breaker turns the power off. So this is what was bad on mine. It's actually very easy to replace. You know, you just gotta unscrew this and screw the new one back in. And I just flushed the toilet a couple times before I did it to make sure that this was clean, and it actually was. So you know, very easy to switch this. And to find out if this is your problem too, you can just find your pressure tank and come over here and play with this. You know, if push this a little bit in and see if you can make it turn it off. If you can, and you know, like most likely there's something wrong here, and my problem was this breaker right here. Now I also have another problem going on right now, that I am losing a little bit of pressure on the inside of that pump, because the thing that the flap that creates the pressure is leaking a little bit. So I always have to still turn off my system, because otherwise it will run every like 20 minutes or so. The pump will like crank 3 times to refill the air that has escaped. It's a very minor leak, but you know, I'm gonna get to it eventually. But this breaker on the pressure chamber was my problem, and that's how I fixed it. And you know, it's a cheap part. I'm gonna put on the description below where I bought the part. I think it was like $100 or something, and that fixed my problem. And once I get to the pump issue, once I go to change the interior of the pump, I'll make a detailed video of how I did it too. So thank you guys, I hope this helps, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you can come with us in all the adventures that we go through and all the problems that we go through as well. All right, thank you very much guys, I'll see you later.